Hey, how you doing? I'm Josh with Wooden Essentials. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this wooden cross. In the video, I will give you a cut list. All this was made out of scrap wood except for the stars. Those I purchased on Amazon. Let me show you how I made it. Starting off, I am cutting everything down the sides. This cross is made all out of scrap wood from my previous flag video. It doesn't take much to build these things. It's an easy way to use up scrap wood or an easy project to build to sell. After ripping everything down, now I'm going to take it over to the miter saw to cut everything to the proper size. I'll go ahead and display the cut list. Go ahead and pause the video if you need. Now the top part, the union, is 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. The other part of the union is 7 inches by 3 inches. These two stripes are 4 inches by 1.5 inches. And finally, the 6 stripes at the bottom are 3 1/4 by 1.5 inches. I sanded everything down to 220 grit and went ahead with the sander, put a nice bevel on it just to give it a nice little detail. When torching, I went ahead and I just charred the corners of everything, hit the sides and the back. I think since I went ahead and torched the edges of everything, it really made it pop. Separating the stripes from the red and white, but I'm going to go ahead and leave the natural wood look for the white and getting the unions out of there. I'm using a barn red stain for the red, obviously, and a navy blue for the union. Once the stain is dry, I went ahead and flipped it, using a speed square to make sure everything is straight. Also, if you build this, don't forget to put the stripes on the other side. I wasn't completely sure the best way to glue this thing up, so I just glued a long strip on the back and used brad nails to hold it into place. Now that it's all glued up, it's time to add the stars. I went ahead and bought these on Amazon. They are 1 inch big. There's no wrong way to add stars, but when gluing them up, I use CA glue and spray activator. Once they make contact with each other, it hardens within 2 to 3 seconds. The finish is a polyurethane gloss made by Minwax. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the other videos that we have on the channel.